Hi everyone, today with me I have a cordless permanent makeup machine to show you guys. So let's talk about all its features and how you can start doing microblading, for example, from home. So here is the product. What is my favorite thing about it? It's totally rechargeable, no need for batteries. At the top of the device, you here have a place to plug it in and charge it, making it super easy to reuse anytime. They're also going to send you a bunch of these needle cartridges. They come in this little box right here, and the ones I got were 0.35 millimeters, but they have also different sizes as well if you want to check those out. Now, when it comes to using the machine, you're going to want to screw in a needle like so, and when you press the button, it will turn on just like this. Press it again, it will go to the second level, and one more time for level 3. Now, when it comes to the needle, it kind of works like a pen. As you twist it around, the needle will pop out of the top, as you can see here, more and more as you continue twisting, and you can twist it back and hide it as well. To turn it off, you do have to click 3 times like so, but it is super easy to use because there's only one button. So I definitely recommend you guys to check this product out if you want to get started at home. They also have so many different products as well by the same company for anything you might need, such as the ink or any other needle. So check this out, it is an awesome product.